Your eyes are incredible organs, but they weren't designed for modern screen use.
The average person now spends 8 to 12 hours a day staring at screens.
Normally, you blink about 15 to 20 times per minute to keep eyes moist.
When focusing on screens, your blink rate drops by more than half.
Reduced blinking causes your tear film to evaporate, leaving eyes dry and irritated.
This leads to burning sensations, redness, and a gritty feeling in your eyes.
Your eye muscles work constantly to focus on close-up screens, causing significant strain.
After hours of close focus, these muscles become exhausted and painful. Screens emit high-energy blue light that penetrates deep into your eyes.
Blue light causes oxidative stress in retinal cells, potentially damaging them over time.
This stress generates harmful molecules that can accelerate eye aging.
Blue light also disrupts your brain's sleep signals, affecting your circadian rhythm. Screen exposure at night suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep.
Digital text lacks the sharp edges of printed text, forcing your eyes to work harder.
Your eyes must constantly converge on the close screen, creating additional muscle fatigue. Together, these problems create computer vision syndrome, affecting millions worldwide.
Prolonged close work reduces blood flow to eye tissues, depriving them of oxygen.
After hours of screen time, your contrast sensitivity and color perception temporarily decline.
The 20-20-20 rule helps. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds.
This simple habit allows your eye muscles to relax and refocus naturally.
Blue light filtering glasses can reduce exposure and protect your retinas.
Position your screen at arm's length with the top at or below eye level.
Use artificial tears regularly to maintain proper eye lubrication during screen time.
Ensure proper lighting to reduce glare and harsh contrast around your screen.
Adjust screen brightness and increase font size to reduce eye strain.
Regular eye exercises help strengthen and relax overworked eye muscles. Without protection, chronic screen exposure may contribute to early vision problems.
With proper habits and breaks, you can protect your eyes and maintain healthy vision.
Take care of your eyes. You only get one pair. Subscribe to Lesson X 3D for more.